Hey y'all, now that I've just about eaten all of it, don't you worry, I didn't even get a thumbnail. So the thumbnail that you've seen is the thumbnail that I got inspired by, or the picture, or whatever you want to call it. You know, I suck at thumbnails. But this right here, it's outstanding. Vicky, you're going to love it. You are absolutely going to love it. It is, oh my gosh, I'm telling you now, I will buy me some more yogurts and some more bananas, and I am going to start making this. I have to be careful because I don't eat bananas a lot. But y'all, just stay tuned to the video and show you how I put it together. Really quick, really simple, really easy. I'm going to shut up now, let you get to the video. Vicky, it's amazing. Welcome back. I need a banana. Look, I didn't know if isn't that a pretty bowl? I got it at Home Goods. I didn't know if my bananas were going to be any good, so I was kind of debating on making this or not. But we're going to make, instead of a banana split, we're still going to make a banana split, but we're going to use it with yogurt. Well, you know, don't cut your banana all the way through like I just did mine, okay? Can y'all see that? Can y'all see where I just cut it all the way through? And then we're going to top it with some, I don't know if those are any good. I left them out. We're going to see. I'm going to top it with some yogurt. I just have some vanilla yogurt. I don't really like flavored vanilla yogurt. I will eat vanilla as long as it's not too sweet. But this smells good. It's Greek yogurt. I just bought the one. I need to eat more yogurt. But I thought about doing like a strawberry kind and another kind. But we're just going to dollop us some yogurt in here. I'm going to put the whole kit and caboodle in here. Okay. Then we're going to sprinkle this on some blueberries. And I got some blackberries. I wanted raspberries, but they weren't looking too good. So that's why I bought this. Y'all, you can make this anyway. You could do peach, you could do coconut, you could do strawberry. I think they even have some chocolate yogurt out there. I don't know. But just think about all the possibilities of how you can treat this and make this. The possibilities are endless. This will be okay. It'll give it some color. No, it won't. Oh, where's the raspberries? Maybe I should have got strawberries. Anyway, you get the picture, right? Okay? You understand what I'm trying to do here. There we go. And then, got some honey. You can put granola on this. I don't have any granola. I heated my honey up in the microwave because it was turning into crystal. I'm just going to drizzle some honey over this. And instead of having a banana split, look at this. Granola would be good, or some nuts or something, but chia seeds, I can't stand chia seeds. But look at this. Doesn't that look good? Let's taste it. I know it's going to taste good. Oh, yeah. Yeah. I'm telling you. Vicky, if you're watching, this is outstanding. It's really, really good. I know bananas are high in sugar, but if you get them a little riper than what they normally are, if you get them green and maybe let them sit for a day or two. I let mine sit too long. That's why I didn't think they were going to be good. Use it when the banana is green. I was told by the doctor that it doesn't have as much sugar content in it as it does whenever it's completely ripe. But this is going to be my new go-to fix. This is delicious, y'all. I cannot believe how good it is. I was truly not expecting it. I was like, okay, it'll be all right. And then, now you could put some whipped topping on here if you wanted to make it all fancy and pretty. I don't have all that stuff. So I have heavy whipping cream, so I could have whipped that up, but it ain't worth it. No. This is outstanding. I cannot believe this. I found me a new little, have you ever, y'all, I'm sure most of y'all text. Well, a lot of people will do that texting as far as like TY for thank you, or BRB, be back, be right back, something like that. So, and then you hear the OMG for oh my gosh. Well, I've got one, and it's going to be HB, heavens to Betsy. So anytime y'all hear me saying HB, it means heavens to Betsy. It should be HTB, heavens to Betsy. Hey, this is good. I like heavens to Betsy better. Leave me a comment below and let me know what you think. All I know, this is outstanding. Oh, you know what I didn't do? I didn't take a thumbnail. Oh well. The picture that you seen the thumbnail on, the thumbnail for this is the picture that I found it and got inspired by. So I'm going to put that picture up there for my thumbnail. But this is delicious. Y'all really should try it. I'm so shocked. All right, enough of that. I can sit here and eat and talk to you all day. I have more videos to record. I hope this video put some yummy and tummy and smile in your heart, and I'll see you guys in the next one.